So this is a little bit different than normal, being in front of the camera. We're going to be starting a YouTube channel for the FC and my drift progress and just the whole build of this, and hopefully drift team. I'm going to be doing full new kit for the car. I got a buddy in Pennsylvania. We're going to be doing carbon fiber hardtop conversion for it. So it'll be kind of similar to how the Miatas are, but they're removable hardtops. And we're going to go ahead and delete the whole convertible top off of it because this one's pretty trash, and it's going to cost me about as much to do all the molding and work to make a custom hardtop versus just buying a brand new top for the car. And I'm going to be drifting it, so it should save me a good bit of weight removing all the motors and the top parts. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy the video. We're going to be cleaning out the FC today. It's pretty dirty from doing the cage on the inside. One of the first things I did was repaint it gold from a nasty neon green. It's quite a mess on the inside, and I got a bunch of just random crap in there and haven't cleaned it out yet to see really what the interior looks like. So we're going to be doing that today.
Hey, to whoever may need this nugget of encouragement, things will be alright, so quit your worrying. I get it, the odds seem stacked back against the wall, but even consider it such, know you'll stand tall. Sat and watch from the sidelines, one too many times. Wicked games we play make me wanna lose my mind. Found solitude, knowing it'll be over soon. Ever need a boost, count on me for the 1-2. Trouble don't last when the tough get going. Baby, all we do is win, so show me my opponent. Adversity, doubt, stress, could care less, cause how we handle those like an S on our chest. Super proud of how we held it down on the way up. Can't wait for our day to ball, this is a layup. Nobody ever said this would be easy, but trust when I say that you got it. I know you've been looking for a breakthrough, trying our best to make do. Every day is something new, but change gon' come, oh yes it's true. Brighter days are straight ahead. Follow me, won't be misled. Just look up, don't hang your head, and we'll get to the promised land. Somebody loves you, please don't forget such. Take your time, no need to feel rushed. We gon' shine somehow one day. Word to O'Shea, today's been a good day. Don't let one bad apple spoil the tree. The fruits of our labor seem ripe, can't you see? A little insight so they'll never dim your light. Been wrong for too long, this here feels so right. Leave your fears in the rear view, right now on the mission. Tryna stay the course on this road to redemption. Giving up seems tempting, but no need, cause I got you and you got me. A little UNITY will get us by. Through the storm and the rain, I'll be by your side. Look alive, the best has yet to come. Just some words of wisdom, plenty more. I know you've been looking for a breakthrough, trying our best to make do. Every day is something new, but change gon' come, oh yes it's true. Brighter days are straight ahead. Follow me, won't be misled. Just look up, don't hang your head, and we'll get to the promise, yeah. And it may seem like things ain't working out, but I know we gon' find a way without a doubt. Just hold on a little longer, you gon' see this through. I've been there and certain things always remain true. Remain true. No matter what you're going
Alright, so just got done shop backing out the car. It was pretty dirty, and I don't know, I didn't really have too much to do today. I really need to pull the carpet out and start painting all the frame and everything. I'm going to be doing a bed liner and whatnot. Me and my buddy just did it on his it's a 4-door E30. But yeah, it shouldn't be too hard. I just got to get the seats out and then probably pull the cage, and you can see I didn't fully get all the green because I didn't pull the cage out of the car. Okay. But yeah, just little bits of progress. So not the longest video, but hopefully I'll be getting an engine stand here soon, or can get my motor to the shop at the school, and we'll see if we can start getting it pulled apart and get this thing moving. I hope you enjoyed, and come back for the next video.